Well, using a computers to generate the lesson plan, and I use a monitor so that it's visible to all students. We do a lot of preparations ahead of time, like the students use AutoCAD, they do some laser work, 3D work. So all that is built up into the point where I can present them a real world problem, and they come up with an idea. In this case, because it's a short frame, they come up with a sketch instead of using AutoCAD to generate their drawings. But nevertheless, the background and the fundamentals have been developed to the point where we can have them come up with actual designs for our client. I choose these materials because I think it reflects on what I believe and what the state and industry feels that are the knowledge and skills that the students need to be designers in career fields like architectural engineering. So to test them out in all types of situations where they understand industry standards, where they understand processing, where they understand how to be innovative, creative, and of course, being able to present their ideas. I like it because one of my key focus on educating students is they're able to be creative and innovative. It's something that I believe should be taught in education. It's something that really focused on the high level to be able to actually create. Oh, I'll definitely make changes. I always think it's an ongoing process to improve. Might focus more on a little bit more structure in the lessons. I always believe that preparation is important. The more prepared you are, the more you can focus on other things like, one of the things I really believe in with all my students is relationship, and making sure that the lesson is well planned gives you more time to work with individual students. In the career of designing, we work with all different types of tools, providing them opportunities to work with the latest technologies like 3D printers, laser engravers. I really feel give them the exposure to have a better understanding of what is possible that they can create or innovate. It's not to necessarily a point where they're just going to work with the 3D or the laser for the rest of the career, but it's just a means to have them grasp that innovation is endless.